Let's talk about JFD-2000A parallel discharge detection system operation. First, connect the input of the test control box to the power supply. The power supply is 220 volt. Then connect the output of the control box to the input of the isolation transformer. Then connect the instrument side to the instrument end of line partial discharge test transformer. The input of the isolation transformer is connected from the output of the voltage regulator. The output of the isolation transformer is connected to the input terminal of our line partial discharge test transformer, and the ground terminal of the isolation transformer is grounded. The input of line partial discharge transformer is connected to the output of the isolation transformer. The instrument terminal of line PD transformer is connected to the instrument terminal of the voltage regulation control box, and the ground terminal of the high voltage tail to be grounded. We completed the line partial discharge test transformer and discharge resistance and the coupling capacitance according to the connection method. One is the bleeder resistor. The bleeder resistor is used to connect the top of the high voltage coupling capacitor of the partial discharge test transformer. Connect the head end of the detection impedance with the tail end of the coupling capacitance. Ground the tail end of the detection impedance and ground the shell of the coupling capacitance. Please do not connect heat running. Connect the single output of the detection impedance to the single input interface H1 or H2 of the partial discharge tester through a dedicated connection line. The ground terminal of the partial discharge tester is grounded and connected to the power supply for use. Connect the red and black terminal of the pulse generator to the test line. We need to use it when the PD tester is calibrated. Connect the two ends of red and black test leads to the first and last end of the coupling capacitor, red to the head end and black to the tail end. If we want to use the partial discharge tester, the first lead to calibrate, we need to use a square wave generator during calibration. We have just talked about the use and connection of the square wave generator. We only need to hit the signal of the square wave generator to 50. Turn on the power of the partial discharge tester, then enter the test software, enter PD test. The information here can be filled in according to the customer's needs. After finished, enter the next step. All the information here can be random filled in. This is no requirement. After completing, click Failure to enter your test interface. Because we are currently using turtle 1, we only have one turtle. We can turn off turtle 2, or we can also use turtle 2. Please refer to the product manual. After entering the corresponding test turtle, you need to go to the calibration. Under the calibration interface, the instrument will automatically calibrate according to the settings. You can also enter this interface to do calibration or use its place. At this time, we need to fill in the corresponding values according to the parse single output by ourselves. We have set it up. We fill in 50PC here because the parse generator we just gave is also 50PC. This is the shortcut bar. This is the detailed operation interface. We are using CH1 now. We choose CH1, fill in 50PC, click calibration. Okay, now the calibration is completed. After calibration, our entire instrument will enter the measurement interface. When we enter the measurement interface again, we need to take down our parse generator. We cannot perform a throttle boost operation of the parse generator. After the whole calibration interface is finished, we take off the parse generator, and there will be a local emission which we call background noise. If the background noise does not meet the requirements of the current test, the instrument cannot be used for operation. If the background noise is larger than 50 PC, then the partial discharge value you measured is useless. That is to say, you can't use this instrument before you eliminate the background noise.